Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable pre-move in chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, pre-move is basically an option which you can enable so that you can technically move your pieces while the other person is still deciding on their move, so that you can move your piece to a certain spot, and then once the opponent finishes, you will immediately do that move after the pause ends. And it is very useful if you know what you're doing, if you have a plan in the future. If you don't want to stop and analyze, this is a very useful feature which you can enable, and even if it's enabled, you don't have to use it. You can very easily just play once the opponent finishes. But yeah, it's very simple to actually enable this. You can go into the settings in the bottom left, hover over them, and click on all settings, and from here you want to go into live chess. Once you're here, you will find these live chess options, and near the top, actually the second from the top option, is enable pre-moves. So let's just enable that, and now whenever you try to move your pieces during the opponent's turn, it'll load up the move before your turn arrives, and then you'll do it immediately. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.